Alright, where do I begin? Should I even call this car noob? Is it even car noob anymore? Are we still car noobs? I'm a car noob. What is it? There's like glaring in my glasses. Should I just not wear glasses? I can't see. I can't see further than there. Right there. I can't see further than this. So with the car, a lot of people have been asking me what are my plans for modding it. And honestly, I just want to kind of start like small, simple, slow, cheap. But I just paid the registration today and I was like $600. So I figured since it's something that I did to all my other cars, I'm probably going to debadge this one too. Simple mod makes a huge difference, at least to me, and depreciates the value of your car. If you care about the resale value of your car, I would suggest not. Just don't watch the rest of this video. Why am I so itchy? I get really itchy when I drink. Am I allergic to alcohol? Yeah, so I've debadged all my other cars before, and this time the huge difference is that this time I used a heat gun. This one right here. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like $20. Let me double check. Yeah, so okay. The one that I got was $18 when I bought it, but for some reason the price is now. Sorry. The cheapest one I could find is like $26. Still, that's a bitch. Still, that's a pretty good price. I don't know. I don't collect heat guns. I don't know what's a good price or not. But you know, $26 is within my budget. So I used that heat gun to heat up the emblems to get like the adhesive kind of like gooey. So I only used it for maybe like 10 seconds to heat up the adhesive, and then I just pulled off the emblems. That's the easy part. Now the hard part is cleaning up the adhesive, because so like for me, half of the adhesive came off with the emblem and the other half stayed on the car, and my dumbass decided to like douse it with GooGone, which you shouldn't do, because the GooGone will like half dissolve the adhesive and it will become like mushy and like slimy. I used a guitar pick to kind of like scrape some of it. I know they have like plastic squeegee tools that you can use, but I don't have one for some reason. I think I used to have one. I don't know what happened to it. My room's a mess. My life is a mess. Yeah, or you can like use your nails to like pick out the adhesive. But basically what you want to do is try to get off as much as you can until like there's just like little bits pieces, and then that's what you use GooGone for. I like the big bottles just because they've got like this little like hole. You can't. It's focusing on my face. But if I put it right here, there's like a little hole right here. When you squeeze it, it like squirts out. I don't know if the smaller bottles has it, but like I always get the big bottles because they last forever, and I use it more than I think I will. So once I get off all the adhesive, I just wipe it down really quick and then, you know, clean it up the spot, and it looks fine. It looks good. It looks great, actually. I did the same thing to the other side, except I didn't use GooGone first. I just try to get off as much adhesive as I can, and then just use GooGone to like clean up the after adhesive. Overall, this was like probably like an hour. Like it could have taken me like 30 minutes if I knew what I was doing, but I was just I'm a car noob. Yeah, honestly, like here's the before. I'm trusting myself later to add a photo there, and here's the after I take off the emblems. Oh, and I was also able to save one more thing from the car. Yeah, you can't see me. That's cool. Wow. Huh. But then what if I go this side? Oh, you can kind of see me a little bit. Kind of. This is really dirty. I'm putting it up against my face. So yeah, this is my quick video about debadging. It's not a tutorial. Is it a tutorial? I don't feel like I tutorialed. I don't feel like I taught you anything. So I'm gonna end this, and then I'm gonna go pack, and then I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks for watching. I don't know why I'm like tried walking off frame because there's a giant light right here. I can't walk past that. Okay, bye.